I can't deal with this.
Hey.
I cannot deal with this.
Hey, be a soldier.
I can't deal with this.
Oh my god.
Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we are going to unclog these two sinks. Sink A has accumulated soap and scum, while sink B has hair blocking the flow. Both sinks aren't draining water properly, so we're going to test 4 different cleaning methods to find out which one works best for both drains. Starting with sink A, we're going to try adding a few drops of dish soap and then flushing the drain with 1 liter of boiling water. This should loosen up the grime in the drain and melt it away. Now that alone worked really well, but I think we can get better results. Next, I'm going to try pouring about half a cup of white vinegar and letting it sit for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of baking soda to neutralize the vinegar and flush away any unpleasant smells. I'm also sealing the sink to allow the foam to push out any remaining goo out the opposite end of the drain. And finally, after about 5 minutes, I'm going to clear everything out with boiling water again. All right, sink A is done. I think doing this method once a month would be great for maintaining the drain and keeping it clear.
That's a clean drain.
It worked so well. Amazing. Okay, moving on to sink number 2.
Wow.
Wow. This is the second drain. So this one's mainly hair. I don't think pouring down boiling water and dish soap is gonna do anything. I don't think vinegar is gonna dissolve all this. I think we need to pull it out. I don't wanna do it.
Now we're going to try to snake the drain to pull out the hair that's blocking it.
Once a month is recommended to clean the drains. Yes, we know this. This we already know. Strength must be moderate. Okay. Who's ready? I'm literally shaking. I'm the adult. I'm the adult. It's me. I'm the adult. I'm the adult. I think that helped. At least I'd like to think that helped. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it did, صراحة, honestly. There's just a bit on the side that I couldn't pull them out. I couldn't pull these out. So we're gonna try to melt them. Blah.
Because I couldn't pull everything out, I'm going to try to use a cleaner as per its instructions.
It smells really, really bad, so I probably shouldn't inhale this. Oh, it's gone! Whoa! That looks so clean. All the hair is gone. Look how white, clean, and shiny this one is. Let me check the other one again, just to compare. It's not as bright and shiny and white, but it's still pretty close. That's, I think, as close as you're gonna get without using harsh chemicals. I think this is the best that you can do without any solutions. So this one, we didn't use any solution and we got a really good job. We did so well without using any chemicals that potentially harm the environment and are expensive. I think you can DIY this. I think you can maintain your drain really, really well using just household items, vinegar, baking soda, even dish soap, boiling water. I think you can maintain your drain once a month using these methods. It's only when it gets really bad and there's things that are stuck in it that you need to snake it or use chemicals. So I think using chemicals does a really good job, but I don't think it should be the first step that you do. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching. And a special thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time.
Wondering why you were making tea in the toilet.